Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 7 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Livtab CyberOne coolest all-in-one sit-standing gaming desk. You may easily return to a comfortable height thanks to Livtab. Additionally, it includes a child lock system, better anti-collision technology, and is capable of recognizing obstacles and stopping by itself. Features a large 31.5 inches by 63 inches desktop. Depending on your demands, CyberOne lets you cold or warm your beverages via an app or control panel. It contains practical eco-friendly pull-out drawers, a perforated backboard with hooks, a slide rail for your monitor arm support, and a left-hanging storage cabinet made of eco-friendly materials to hold and safeguard your small items. There is no longer a need that you reserve space for your audio equipment. With a combined output capacity of 30W*2, the two speakers can produce ambient lighting in addition to blaring out high-quality sound. The colorful RGB LED lighting pulses in sync with the music, transforming your entire space into a gaming zone. The utmost level of safety is provided to the mainframe of your computer by the addition of an anti-collision mechanism. Coming to number 2. Millo Air New Generation Motorless Magnetic Blender. We created the first blender in history with a magnetic air drive because of this. Most wireless blenders have a power range of up to 10 W. With an astounding 450 W peak power, Millo Air is so strong that it destroys the competition. What a beast! Its German-made blades can quickly shatter items like ice, almonds, and whole carrots. With the use of our groundbreaking MAD technology, we were able to create an incredibly thin and light portable blender base that weighs just 26 ounces. Consider the base as a transportable power source that you may use anywhere. The size of Millo Air allows for transportation by aeroplane. Coming to number 3. Auto Face Tracking Tripod. The twin-core artificial intelligence AI processing power of this auto-tracking camera mount enables it to rapidly and automatically recognize your face or other objects in your area. By employing the mobile robot camera, you may take your own photos without having to move your phone anymore. Thanks to its built-in camera, this face-tracking phone holder can automatically keep an eye on you, and this tracking tripod can always find you swiftly. It also comes in 3 colors, black, white, and pink, and is compatible with both Android and iPhone devices. Coming to number 4. Pixy Mini Smallest Powerbank. Modern powerbanks are usually slow, huge, and heavy for their size, and frequently weigh more than they should. As a result, Pixy Mini, which combines portability, speed, dual output, and power in a teeny-tiny form factor, is presented by Futurista with great excitement. Due to its tiny size compared to a credit card, you could not even notice it in your pocket. Due to its 5,000 mAh capacity, ultra-fast charging, and small form factor, which is sufficient to charge the majority of smartphones 1 to 1.5 times, the Pixy Mini is the perfect power bank for any brief trip. 2 electronic devices can be fully recharged in around 1.5 hours. Available in midnight black, charcoal gray, and lavender purple. Coming to number 5. VSSL Insulated Flask with Bluetooth Speaker. Due to the insulation's twin walls and vacuum seal, all 8 ounces of your beverage will stay at the perfect temperature. No more enjoying yourself as your whiskey warms up in the sun. It can keep beverages warm for 5 hours and cold for 10. At the base of the flask is a fully integrated, waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It has built-in audio channels that produce top-notch sound even when placed on a flat surface. It has the standard flask sipping funnel and lets you easily refill and clean it by unscrewing the top cap entirely. 2 distinct drinking possibilities are provided by this inventive design. Remove the stainless steel flask top from the spout to obtain a cool beverage. Remove the entire cap in order to enjoy a hot beverage. It is compact, ultra portable. It can fit in your palm because it is so little. Coming to number 6. Firefly Lumos, the best bicycle lighting system. There's no need to waste time manually turning off each light. Just turn one Firefly off, and the others will follow suit. If it is synchronized, the same thing will happen in your helmet as well. Don't waste time fiddling with your bike lights every time you want to go for a ride. You can quickly and easily pop them all in and take them all out again using the Firefly magnetic mounting system. Synced lights spread out across the rider and the bike, significantly expanding the visibility area. It is much easier for a driver to observe a lot of lights moving in time with one another and to instinctively gauge the size and distance of the rider in order to give them the necessary space to avoid a collision. Brake lights let other drivers know you're slowing down so they can modify their driving to avoid rear-ending you. When the brakes are applied, all rear lights will simultaneously turn on as brake lights, making the warning considerably more obvious. Coming to number 7, IKKO ITX05 all-in-one docking station. Strong capabilities and 9 ports are included. This hub boasts a phenomenal transmission speed of 10 gigabits per second and can output a variety of codecs, including 8K at 30 Hz. The IKKO ITX05 docking station features 2 data ports, a 100W power delivery port, 4 USB 3.2 connectors, a 3.5mm and a 4.4mm audio jack for connecting extra devices, and 4 USB 3.2 connectors. The brightness and colors of ITX05 will make you feel at home in a setting where anything is possible and where technology is exploding. The rhythmic and transformative tempo will cause you to become disoriented about time and space. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.